This is Bruin the Horse Whisperer. Come, Rocco, come. I have so much to teach you. We have some exciting adventures to go upon. This way, this way.
Wait, I don't want him shouting. Alright, make him go.
No, I'm taking a film.
Alright.
Yeah. How cute.
It's a little high up for me.
Mm.
A little lower down, bro.
No! Okay. Oh. Just try to walk around and see if he'll keep going with you. The never-ending tug-of-war. Rocco's like, what is this pest doing? Alright, I'm stopping the video.